May tatlong sagot tayo sa tanong na yan. Based sa actual experience po. Kasi meron tayong small business. Ano po ito? Number one, maglagay ng CCTV. Yan, importante yan. Para may monitoring tayo kung sino yung mga customers natin. Kahit nasa office tayo, makikita po natin. Number two, gumawa ng daily cash flow and monthly income statement. Ayan, importante yan para ma-monitor natin ang daily income natin. Gumawa tayo ng cash flow, specifically cash inflow. And of course, monthly income statement para alam natin magkano yung income natin for the month of March, April, May, June, July, and lahat ng months in a year. And number three, be the operations manager and hire competent employees. Importante yan kahit small business po tayo.